Hi, this is Jeff with SLAYR, and today I'm going to show you how to create an email template. So we're going to go ahead and click email here, and then we're going to click on create email template. Now we have a blank email template, nothing's on here, so we got to create some content. My new email. Always make sure you have a subject line, of course. All right, I'm going to start here on the body. So background color is going to be your entire email background. So I'm going to change that to white. Perfect. Content width is going to be the width of this frame right here. So maybe I want to change this to 600. I like having it centered all the time. Maybe I want my default font to be cabin. And you can also put in a subject line. So we got a great deal for you. Some email services will have your subject and then a subject as well, or a pre-header that will show you instead of a summary of the email itself. Links, you can change the color of your link, any text links, and whether it has an underline or not. There's no save button to do this. It's automatically integrated as soon as you change it. You can also have different blocks here saved into the if we created blocks and saved them into the system for you to use, those would be available here. We're just going to go ahead and jump into content. So this is a column. This is a single column reference that gets you started on your email. You already have one in your email. You can add additional ones if you want to. So now see we have 2 columns. We're going to stick with 1 here. And I'll show you the reason for that here in just a minute. But we're going to go ahead and click this one and have a background image. So we'll upload an image here. All right, as you can see, we've got our background image here. You can't see it yet because we don't have any content in here. So we're going to go ahead. I want to show you something first. So this padding, see what that does right here. It's going to create some space from the top and the bottom of the page for you. So we can increase this. Maybe we want to do 20. So whatever elements are in here are not going to sit right at the top of the page. All right. Now I'm going to put in an image right there. And maybe after that I'm going to want some text, and see how this is all being put into that same column structure. Then maybe I'm going to want a button, and well, let's go ahead and put an image in here first. All right, put that image in here. Not the best image, but this is just an example. What I do want to show you is this auto width. This is incredibly important. So uncheck the auto width, and then you can change the size of that logo. That's going to come in very handy. You can also change the align. Can change the text, the alternate text on it. So there we go. And then we'll do something like come check out our latest restaurant. And this is a button that we put in here. Order from China One now. And we'll put foodies.com China One. All right. This text, we want it centered. Maybe we want to make it white. Change the size of it. And maybe right below it, click that X. Put another image right here. Fun little singing image. And we're done with that. But we also want to put a tail on here that signifies the details of the company, the unsubscribe message, but we don't want it to be part of the message. We kind of want to make it a subtle effect, right? Well, if we put anything more in here, it's going to continue along this background because, as you can see, this background is actually quite large. If I put 100, 1,000 here, so you can see it continues down for quite a ways. So we're going to put in a new column down here. And we're going to make the background on this maybe just like gray. And we want to put some text down here. Oops. Delete that. Say Foodies LLC address and phone, and you can click on this merge tag and you can put in various things here. So we're going to put that unsubscribe tag in there. Maybe instead of restaurant. So you can use that for things like, hey, we saw that you ordered from bracket restaurant. Next time, try this restaurant. So there's a number of uses for that. You can also use the customer's name, the customer's email address, the source like GFO or ZUP or web, how much they spent on the order that you're sending them for that one. So, or on their last order. And there you go. We've got our whole message here. Now I notice that there is a little bit of a gap here. The way we can fix that is we're going to go back here into body and we're going to shrink down, or actually expand that content to match 600 so it matches the same size as the rest of the emails, same size as that image. The other option that we could do for there, we can go back here to this item and not do full width. But then we create a gap there because of the padding. Then we can change the padding. So as you can see, there's a number of options here. There. And that's how you create an email with the email template feature. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by going up here to the accounts section and clicking on support contact us.